be real. In today's economy, a single salary isn't enough. Prices are rising, job security feels shaky, and without a side hustle, you're basically one emergency away from stress. But here's the catch. Most people never start. Why? Fear of failure? What if my idea flops? No time. Balancing a 9-5 and side hustle feels impossible. Lack of resources. Thinking you need big money or special skills to even begin. Sound familiar? The truth? Every successful side hustle you see today started messy. Small idea, tiny steps, lots of mistakes. The difference? They started anyway. So here's the roadmap. 1. Start with problems you can solve or skills you already have. 2. Validate your idea. Check if people actually want it. 3. Set small, achievable goals. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. 4. Be ready to adapt because your first version won't be your final one. Think about the person who turned a weekend passion into a full-time income. That didn't happen overnight. It started with one side hustle idea, just like the one you're sitting on right now. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start your side hustle, newsflash, it doesn't exist. The best time is today. Drop your side hustle idea in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're building. And if you want more no-fluff tips on making money outside your 9-5, hit that subscribe button.